Hola, welcome to Playa Viva, a regenerative boutique hotel located right here at the Pacific Ocean in Mexico. But it's more than just a hotel. It's a complete project.
Sembrando nuestros propios alimentos orgánicos.
To bioconstruction materials that serve multiple functions inside our ecosystem.
Just look around. Railings, lights, and furniture, all made from bamboo growing here on site.
Playa Viva es 100% energía solar.
Our farm-to-table kitchen is committed to having multiple relationships with local food producers.
Aquí le mostramos cómo pasa de semilla a chocolate.
Our pigs are an important part of our team. They consume food waste from our kitchen.
Al igual que nuestras lechugas, frutas y verduras, otorgan una cosecha llena de nutrientes para nuestros huéspedes veganos y vegetarianos.
We invite you to get to know our epic yoga shala through the exploration of body and mind.
Trabajamos con comunidades locales para promover ecosistemas más resilientes, empezando por salud y oportunidades económicas, mientras promovemos nuestros recursos naturales.
Our community outreach work doesn't just end at the closest town of Juluchuca. It extends all the way up the watershed.
As part of the Playa Viva health program, we sponsor the youth soccer team, providing coaches, equipment, and field maintenance, and always making sure to have lots of fun.
Since 2010, La Tortuga Viva has hatched over 500,000 hatchlings and involved Playa Viva guests, school groups, local communities on exciting and transformational baby sea turtle releases, and much more.
Everything that we do here at Playa Viva matches with our core values.
Creating and promoting biodiversity.
Promoviendo una comunidad con mucho sentido.
Crear energía limpia.
Transformational experiences.
And create a living legacy.
So I hope you got a little bit of a taste of what makes Playa Viva so special. And the next time you take a trip, it's one where your vacation meets your values.
¡Loco, wea!